Sketch a graph of the following exponential functions. We're going to do this by plotting points. Make sure you include the asymptote in your graph. Looking at the function f of x is equal to 3 to the x, and if I wanted to have these x values, my favorite numbers, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, those go in where the x used to be in the equation, which is the exponent. So 3 to the -2 is equal to 1 over 3 squared, which is 1/9. So at -2, we're 1/9. 3 to the -1 is equal to 1 over 3, a third. So -1 is a third. 3 to the 0 power, well, anything with the exception of 0 raised to the 0 power is 1. So we have 0, 1. 3 raised to the 1 power is 3. So at 1, we're all the way up here at 3. So you can see this is not a straight line. It's very, very curvy. And one more dot to help finish out this graph. 3 squared is 9. So at 2, okay, well, I thought we'd have one more dot, but it seems to have gone right off the paper. So your exponential graph is this nice curve that continues up and goes up forever. Well, how low does it go? Does it continue to go down forever? Well, if you consider raising 3 to a power, how could you ever get a negative answer? Even by putting in negative numbers, you don't get negative answers, you get positive answers. So we have what we call an asymptote. This line indicates that the graph will continue to come down and get very close to the line, but it will never go below the line and it will never touch the line. So let's go back and ask those questions again about domain and range. Domain is how far left does the picture go? Well, that's pretty much infinity, negative. And how far right does the picture go? And that also goes forever. Our range is how low, and this is what I really wanted to point out. The lowest it will get is 0, but it'll never get there, so you need a parenthesis. And how high it goes is to infinity.